it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast, back again. Nice to see you all. Today, I'm sharing some quick IKEA hacks.
Unexpected ways to use IKEA items. I also ran a poll on my Instagram stories, and many of you sent me photos and comments, so I'll be showing those too. First up is the SKÅDIS Pegboard. It's mainly designed to be mounted on a wall, and it's super useful around a desk or in the kitchen. There are so many accessories for it, so it helps you add storage exactly where you want it. It's such a great product. I use one next to my desk too. This time, someone shared a really clever way to use it with the ROSKOG utility cart, that famous IKEA cart, by mounting the pegboard directly onto it. This is storage in a kid's room, and it's a deep closet space. We keep this cart in front to store school supplies. Since it's a rolling cart, you can easily move it when you need something in the back, so it really helps to use the space efficiently. This is the smallest SKÅDIS board size. I've often seen people mount it on a ROSKOG using DIY parts, but apparently you can attach it just using SKÅDIS hooks. These ones right here. I never would have thought of that. I had no idea it could be mounted with just these. You just install the hooks upside down. Whoever figured this out is a genius. Honestly, I wish I knew sooner. And here it is, hooked in place. It feels completely stable. So far, the cart hasn't tipped or anything like that. You can also mount it on the short side of the cart. Some school items, like a keyboard harmonica and a clay board, were big and hard to store. But with SKÅDIS accessories, they fit nicely like this. My kid really liked it too. It feels so clean and satisfying. Inside the cart, there's also a school supply box and a paint set she's not using right now. And SKÅDIS isn't only for the wall. Here's another way I use it. I hang it from a door hanger with a long S hook. This is the door to a storage closet, and now I can grab cleaning supplies instantly, which is really convenient. The door hook is from IKEA, and the S hook is from Amazon. Here's how it looks. The bar on the back is the one that comes with SKÅDIS. SKÅDIS also has parts that let it stand on its own, and you can also clamp it like this to a desktop. They also sell parts to mount it onto furniture. Recently, IKEA released new colors for the ROSKOG cart. These 3 shades feel very spring-like and really charming. If you visit the store, definitely check them out. By the way, I use the mini-size ROSKOG next to my desk, and I was able to attach the SKÅDIS to it. Around a desk, we have so many small gadgets and accessories, so this idea is going to be useful. I also use this as a charging station and store a bunch of things that are handy to have in the living room. I have a little update on this setup, so I'll share that too. I keep a power strip here to charge my phone and other devices. I recommend using an IKEA power strip. It looks stylish, not like a boring office cable. Even if the cables look messy, you can hide them inside the bigger Crossen side table, then you don't even notice it. For the tissue box, I switched to a magnetic one and stuck it to the underside of the top like this. The wagon basket can easily look cluttered, but covering it makes everything look neat, and it also keeps dust away. I actually removed the bottom basket, and now I keep my laptop there. When you take the basket out, you can place the bamboo lid directly onto the frame itself. Even the current small ROSKOG utility cart can place the top directly like this, so you can use it without the basket. If you remove the middle tier as well, you can even fit file boxes inside. If you felt it was hard to use, Please try this setup. I love that I can power my laptop from here and start using it right away. Next up is another IKEA long seller, the TRONES shoe cabinet. It's very popular as a compact shoe storage solution, but in Japan, a lot of homes already have built-in shoe cabinets. So I found that many people are using TRONES for other purposes. A lot of people told me that they take advantage of its slim design and place it in the bathroom as a towel holder. It's great that you can install it right by the bathroom door, so you can reach it straight from the bathroom. It's hard to find a shelf that fits in a space that tight. And even if you toss towels in quickly, it still looks neat. Because it's so slim, it also works well in a restroom. Some of you even use it as a trash bin. They remove the inner container and wash it directly. The simple look makes it very versatile. I heard from renters they install it using drywall pins. This one isn't TRONES, but someone also uses a similar slim shoe cabinet as a towel holder in a hair salon. They even sent a video. Thank you so much. Recently, I had the chance to visit a truly beautiful home. I think many of you already know them. It's Hidemaru and Butajiru's home. I'd seen their place often on their Instagram and YouTube, but seeing it in person was honestly amazing. They have so many beautiful plants and furniture pieces, and their ways of using IKEA items are especially creative. So let me show you. This is their bathroom area, and the blue IKEA pieces add the perfect accent. It's such a lovely space. And did you notice? This shelf is actually a dollhouse. It gives the bathroom such a playful vibe. It's open storage, but everything is styled with beautiful items. By the way, the small shelf on top holding the glasses is also from IKEA. That one is from the kids section too. About this dollhouse, I also saw an interesting display at IKEA. It's mounted on the wall and they were storing books in it. Part of it is used as a display shelf and part as a bookshelf. It would be perfect for a kid's room too. Now, back to Hidemaru and Butajiru's home. See this black pipe holding the hangers? It's actually an IKEA item. Can you guess what it is? It's originally sold in the kitchen storage section. It's painted black and looks really stylish, and the size was perfect, so they use it as a hanger rail. Not only in this closet, but they also installed the same rail by the living room window, using it to hang plants and lights. They use IKEA items almost like hardware store parts.
なんかキッチン用のポールって言っても最初伝わらなくて、要はサヌさんが本当だって言ってくれてすぐ伝わったのがすごい。
They also host room tours of their beautiful home, where you can learn their storage ideas and interior design tips in person. If you're interested, make sure to check it out while they're still hosting. I'll put Hidemaru's Instagram account in the description box. Next, I'll share some unexpected IKEA hacks that my Instagram followers taught me. This glass container with a handle is originally for food and has a lovely design, but someone sent a photo of using it for detergent. It looks much nicer than the original packaging, and it's easy to see how much is left, which is really convenient. And since it has a handle, it also looks very easy to use. IKEA has so many glass jars, so choosing one is fun. I use another type with a glass lid as a tissue holder. I don't actually use the lid, but it narrows slightly in the middle. Sometimes helps tissues come out smoothly. I also use another IKEA glass jar to store nuts. It's perfect for grabbing a quick handful when I'm trying to resist eating sweets. IKEA sells a wide variety of candle holders. many with lovely designs and very affordable prices. But I think a lot of people don't actually use candles that often. They're perfect as accessory trays instead. This one is a tea light holder, and it's adorable. Emily, a personal stylist, shared a photo of how she uses it. Thank you so much. I also use a tea light holder as a ring dish. They come in a set of 3 and are very budget-friendly, and I love the color options. It has a slightly raised base, so it's easy to pick things up. And people use them for more than accessories too, like holding lip balms or even pens. There are so many affordable and stylish options, so even if you don't use candles, make sure to stop by the candle holder section. This is a drink holder. It's designed to clamp onto a desk or table. I really like this one because the wood finish looks really nice. But I saw someone using it to store a hairdryer instead. I thought that was such a fun idea, so I had to try it myself. And honestly, the size fit so perfectly it actually made me laugh. It's almost like it was made specifically for my hairdryer. That's how perfectly it fits. The only problem is, since there's a drawer right here, there's no spot to clamp it on, so we can't actually use it this way. It's surprisingly stable, so I think it's a great idea. This item also comes in black. By the way, I store my hairdryer like this, kind of loosely in the drawer. This is the Panasonic C-Line vanity, and IKEA boxes fit inside it perfectly. Because one side of the divider is lower, the hairdryer handle fits nicely too. This box also comes in a wide range of colors, so just pick the one you like best. Next up is a cutting board. There's one that comes with short little legs, and someone sent me a photo of using it as a monitor stand. The size fits perfectly. Next is the Dream Wardrobe System, PAX, and someone shared photos of installing it in their kitchen. It fits the ceiling height exactly, so it almost looks like custom built-in furniture. When the doors are closed, it turns into one seamless wall, which is amazing. This one is the Billy bookcase, and someone is using it as a pantry. They said the shallow depth makes it especially useful. With Billy, you can add glass doors or even put doors just on the lower half, so it's a very versatile item that can also work as a dish cabinet. If you're looking for something stylish and affordable, plant pot cover is another great option. This one is holding combs, for example. You can use it to hold cosmetics or as a pen holder, so it works as storage in many ways. This new pink pot cover is also super adorable, and I wanted to use it as a pen holder, but it was already sold out. IKEA sells so many different frames. They have thicker frames like this, and some people use them to display plush toys or figures inside. I was surprised when I first saw this, but I received comments saying people also display keychains and other collectible items in them. This frame comes in different sizes depending on the country, so make sure to check your local IKEA website. This is another clever idea I found at an IKEA store. It's the FLISAT picture ledge. They installed it upside down and used it as a holder for a drawing paper roll. Since the bar is cylindrical, it actually makes this possible. But honestly, replacing the paper roll looks pretty difficult. If you mount it upside down, the top could work like a shelf, and the bottom could function like a hanging rail. Thank you so much for all the comments and photos you shared. If you see an idea you like, leave a comment and let me know. It would make me really happy. And please share your own creative ways of using IKEA products too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.